Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram Reels not showing. If you're using Instagram and you're facing the issue that your Reels are not showing, so let's see some possible fixes. So the very first thing is that it might happen due to a weakest network connection, or there might be any issue with your Instagram app. So let's see some possible fixes. The very first thing is that you just have to scroll on your control center, and you have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. That might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to enable and disable airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here and open your settings here. Go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you find any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that. Then go back from here. You have to go for App Store for search for Instagram, and you have to check for updates for your Instagram app. If you don't find any updates here, so you just have to go back and retry to open your Instagram app to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so try to make a force restart your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press on the volume power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly personalize the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you have to unlock your phone and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so there are two ways. So very first, in your Android phone, you have to clear cache of your Instagram app. If you're on your iPhone, so open your settings app, go for general, go for iPhone storage here, look for Instagram app, and you just have to try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete app. So after offloading or deleting your app, you have to reinstall the app, and after reinstallation it will fix every kind of issue. So it might be that there will be any bug on your in your Instagram app. It will be fixed in this step, and after that you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye.